Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir without a starter. First, understand that while you won't use traditional grains initially, you'll be cultivating them. This process involves using a small amount of existing kefir or a probiotic capsule to kickstart fermentation. It's a rewarding way to produce your own healthy, fermented drink right at home, building your culture from scratch. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You'll need about 1 liter of fresh whole milk. Organic is often preferred for better results. Next, find a clean glass jar, ideally with a capacity of at least 1.5 liters, to give your kefir room to grow. Finally, you'll need a small amount of plain, unflavored kefir from a store, or the contents of 1 high-quality probiotic capsule to initiate the process. Now let's initiate the fermentation. Pour your 1 liter of milk into the clean glass jar. If using store-bought kefir, add about 2 tablespoons. If using a probiotic capsule, open it and sprinkle the contents into the milk. Stir gently to combine. Cover the jar loosely with a breathable cloth or coffee filter, secured with a rubber band, and let it sit at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. Once your kefir has thickened and smells pleasantly tangy, it's time to strain it. Gently pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into another clean jar, separating the liquid kefir from any forming grains. Store your delicious homemade kefir in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Remember to check the description below for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. Enjoy your nutritious, homemade beverage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.